Hello to all you on the phone, amazing people. Today I'm going to be doing the shotgun challenge here in the middle of the street, holding a freaking knife, completely freaking normal. So yeah, this is 950 millimeters, and I need to try to do this as fast as I possibly can. So okay, we're gonna do this. If I remember correctly, you have to like bend it or something, and then okay. Oh, look at my fucking face and shit. God, every time. This is so freaking stupid. Oh my god, they're looking at me like I'm freaking insane. I don't blame them. Okay, holding a fucking knife, remember? I saw, oh crap, there are people walking, shit. Okay, there's like people, and I'm wet. Yes, I'm wet in the middle of the street while people are walking in the sideway. Amazing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm done. Oh shit. I'm trying so hard not to. I think. What did he do? You're just standing there staring at me. I'm gonna go. Okay, this was stupid. Bye now.